Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Tan Tan Ramen or Tantanmen in Japanese. It is a ramen noodle dish with a rich and deep sesame flavored soup topped with miso flavored minced pork. Good restaurant quality ramen is hard to recreate, but we will show you an easy way to make it with simple ingredients at home. These are the ingredients for the soup. Tan Tan Ramen soup has a very strong sesame flavor, which is different from regular ramen. We are using Japanese sesame paste here, but you can also use tahini, which may be easier to find outside of Japan. And these are the rest of the ingredients. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's get started. First, we are going to make the broth. In a large pot, mix chicken broth and sake, and add the green part of the long white onion or green onions. Slice ginger and garlic. Boil for a couple of minutes, turn down to low heat, cover, and keep warm. Next, we are making the soup seasoning. In a small bowl, we have soy sauce, sesame paste, and chili oil, and rice vinegar. Whisk and divide the sauce into 2 ramen bowls and set aside. Cut a few inches of white end of the onion and slice thinly lengthwise like this, and we will save this for topping later. Then, chop the rest finely to cook with the ground pork next. Heat sesame oil in a frying pan and cook ground pork until browned. Add the onion and cook for a minute longer. Then add the seasonings, red miso paste, red chili paste, and sugar. Stir and cook for a couple of minutes and remove from the heat and set aside. We're almost there. Cut bok choy into quarters lengthwise and blanch in a boiling water. When you are ready to eat, boil the noodles according to the package and drain water well. Finally, we are ready to serve. Pour the chicken broth in bowls with the seasonings we prepared earlier. Stir and add the cooked noodles. Top with bok choy, seasoned ground pork, and thinly sliced white long onion. Add some chili oil if you like. This ramen is packed with strong umami tastes from pork, sesame paste, and miso. There are some steps to follow, but it's worth the effort.
美味しいね。